Welcome to Legit Consumer. In today's video, we're diving into the world of fitness trackers to bring you the top 5 best mirrorless cameras in 2024. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned athlete, finding the right fitness tracker can make all the difference. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices out there? Or maybe you're wondering which tracker will best suit your unique needs and lifestyle. Stay tuned, because we've done all the hard work for you. We'll be breaking down the features so you can make an informed decision and find the perfect fit for your goals. Let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 is a versatile addition to Canon's mirrorless lineup, tailored for enthusiasts and professionals seeking high performance. With a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, the EOS R7 delivers exceptional image quality, boasting sharp details and vibrant colors. The camera features the latest DigicX image processor, enabling continuous shooting at up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports and wildlife. The EOS R7's autofocus system is a highlight, equipped with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology and 651 autofocus points covering nearly the entire frame, ensuring quick and accurate focusing even in low light. For videographers, the camera offers 4K UHD recording at up to 60p and Full HD at up to 120p, alongside in-body image stabilization for smooth video and sharp handheld shots. Ergonomically, the EOS R7 is designed for comfort and ease of use, featuring a vari-angle touchscreen LCD and an OLED electronic viewfinder. Connectivity options such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow seamless sharing and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. Rugged and weather-sealed, the Canon EOS R7 is built to endure challenging shooting environments, making it a reliable companion for various photographic endeavors. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix S5II. The Panasonic Lumix S5II is a powerful and compact full-frame mirrorless camera designed for both photographers and videographers seeking versatility and high performance. At its core is a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, coupled with the latest Venus engine processor, delivering stunning image quality with impressive dynamic range and low-light performance. The S5II features a new phase detect autofocus system, which significantly enhances focusing speed and accuracy, even in challenging conditions. This makes it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects and ensuring sharp focus in both stills and video. For video enthusiasts, the Lumix S5II offers 4K recording at up to 60p in 10-bit 4:2:2, providing rich, cinematic footage with excellent color depth. It also supports anamorphic recording and Vlog/V-gamut profiles, offering greater flexibility in post-production. The camera includes 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which works in tandem with lens-based stabilization to minimize shake and produce smooth, steady shots. Ergonomically, the S5II is designed for comfort and durability, featuring a weather-sealed body that can withstand harsh shooting environments. The camera is equipped with a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a fully articulating touchscreen, enhancing usability and creative framing options. With advanced connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the Lumix S5II ensures seamless sharing and remote control, making it a robust tool for modern content creators. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7RV. The Sony Alpha 7RV is a standout in the mirrorless camera market, designed for professionals who demand exceptional image quality and advanced features. At its heart is a 61-megapixel full-frame XMR CMOS sensor, paired with the Bionz XR image processor, delivering unparalleled resolution, dynamic range, and low-light performance. This combination ensures that every detail is captured with stunning clarity and color accuracy, making it ideal for high-resolution photography such as landscapes, portraits, and commercial work. The A7RV's autofocus system is a major highlight, featuring 759 phase detection points and real-time IAF for humans and animals, ensuring precise focus tracking even in complex scenes. The camera supports 8K video recording at 24p and 4K at up to 120p, catering to professional videographers seeking high-quality, versatile recording options. It also includes 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which compensates for camera shake and enables sharp handheld shots and smooth video. Ergonomically designed for comfort and durability, the A7RV boasts a weather-sealed body, a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, and a fully articulating touchscreen, enhancing usability in various shooting conditions. Advanced connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensure seamless file transfer and remote control. The Sony A7RV is a powerhouse for professionals, blending top-tier performance with robust build quality. Number 2. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is a compact and versatile addition to Canon's mirrorless camera lineup, designed for fans and aspiring photographers who seek high performance and portability. Featuring a 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and the Digic-X image processor, the EOS R10 delivers impressive image quality with vibrant colors and sharp details. The camera supports continuous shooting at up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and 23 frames per second with the electronic shutter, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects in sports and wildlife photography. The EOS R10 boasts an advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with 651 autofocus points, covering a wide area of the frame for precise and quick focusing. It also includes subject detection and tracking capabilities for people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring sharp focus in dynamic scenes. For videographers, the camera offers 4K UHD recording at up to 60p and Full HD at up to 120p, providing versatile options for creating high-quality video content. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, the EOS R10 is comfortable to handle and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD and high-resolution electronic viewfinder enhance usability and composition flexibility. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enable seamless sharing and remote control, rounding out the Canon EOS R10 as a powerful and convenient tool for capturing stunning photos and videos. Number 1. Nikon Z6III. The Nikon Z6III is an exceptional full-frame mirrorless camera that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a top choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. Equipped with a 24.5-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and the latest XP7 image processor, the Z6III delivers outstanding image quality with impressive detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. The camera supports continuous shooting at up to 14 frames per second, enabling the capture of fast-moving subjects with ease. One of the standout features of the Z6III is its advanced autofocus system, boasting 273 phase detection points and enhanced eye detection AF for humans and animals. This ensures quick and accurate focusing, even in challenging conditions. Videographers will appreciate the camera's ability to record 4K UHD video at up to 60p and Full HD at up to 120p, providing versatile options for high-quality video production. The inclusion of 10-bit N-Log and HDR, HLG, support further enhances video capabilities by offering greater flexibility in post-production. Ergonomically designed, the Z6III features a durable, weather-sealed body that can withstand harsh shooting environments. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder and tilting touchscreen LCD make composition and playback intuitive and enjoyable. Advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, ensure seamless file transfer and remote control. The Nikon Z6III stands out as a versatile and robust camera, perfect for capturing stunning stills and videos. Thanks for tuning in to Legit Consumer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means the world to me. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the wonders of the world. See you in the next one.